In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in DocuSign and sign a document. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the document that you need to sign and open it. After the document loads, select Review Document. This will take you into the signing view, where you can complete everything in one place. Next, select Continue to begin the signing process. DocuSign will guide you through the areas that need your attention, which makes the process much easier and helps ensure you don't miss anything important. Now, locate the signature field in the document. When you find it, select the signature field to begin. At this point, you should see the option to change or edit your signature. This is the key step if you want to update the signature style you've used before or create a new one for this document. Go ahead and enter your name or create a new signature, depending on what DocuSign allows in your signing window. You'll then be able to choose the signature style you want to use. Take a moment here to pick the version that looks best and feels most appropriate for your documents. If you want a cleaner or more professional appearance, this is where you make that adjustment. Once you've selected the style you want, choose Adopt and Sign. DocuSign will apply that signature choice to the current signing field. Then place your new signature in the required location if it doesn't automatically appear exactly where needed. Make sure it sits correctly within the designated area so the document remains neat and easy to read. After that, review the document carefully to confirm that the new signature appears correctly. It's a good idea to quickly scan the page and verify that everything looks right before moving on. If anything seems off, this is the best time to catch it. Next, complete any remaining required fields in the document. These may include initials, dates, or other requested information. Be sure every required area is filled out so you can submit the document without delays. When everything is complete and reviewed, select Finish to complete the signing process. That final step submits your signed document through DocuSign. Thanks for watching.